Today we're going to look at how do you tackle competency interviews using the SAR method: situation, action, and results. Competency-based interviews are also called behavioral or criterion-based interviews. They are based on the concept that past behavior and experience is the best indicator of future performance. Competency interviewing questions can look like this. Tell us about a situation where you went above and beyond your manager's expectation. Or you might be asked, give an example of a time when you used your problem solving abilities to solve an issue. Or you might even be asked, tell us about a time where you had a number of demands being made on you at the same time. How did you handle it? So, the best way to answer this question is using SAR method. And the first thing, you need to describe the situation. It is important to be clear when describing the situation so that the interviewer does not have any problems understanding your actions and the outcome. Questions to consider when describing the situation are: what was the issue? Where did it happen? And how were you involved? Secondly, talk about the action. The interviewer needs to know how you handle the situation so that they can see how you will handle similar situations in the future. Questions to think about when explaining your actions are: what job did you do? How did you solve the problem? And finally, talk about the results. Always tell the interviewer the result. They want to know if your action solved the problem. Questions to consider when describing the result are: how did the situation end? What was your role in this at the end of the situation? So here's an example. You're in an interview and you're asked, tell us about a time when you had to deal with an angry customer. Situation: I was working as a server in a busy restaurant when a customer became very upset because he had to wait a long time for his meal. Action: I listened to his concern, apologized, and advised the customer that I would check on the order. I asked the kitchen to put a rush on his order. When I took it to the table, I offered the customer a free dessert, as this was our policy. Result: he was happy and left a comment card stating that he would return in the future because I had taken his complaint seriously. So, for more tips on how to handle competency interview, there's a link below this video where I have put a full article and additional tips on how to handle competency interviews. So, click the link and go and read the whole article. Also, I'll ask you to please leave a comment on this video, like it, share it with your friends, and at the same time, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. If you're looking for a job, I would ask you to visit our website www.careerpoint.co.ke. There you'll find the available jobs that we have posted on our website, and you can submit your CV for a free CV review. If you're looking to get a job, especially in the NGO world and development jobs, I would highly advise you to take any of our online courses. That would be project management or project monitoring and evaluation. For more information about these courses, visit www.careerpoint.co.ke/courses. Thank you.